What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode, and today I'm here to talk about the OnePlus 6T. It's official and it's coming very soon. So without further delay, let's dive right in. Now, since the OnePlus 6T is almost official, I should just run down the specs and just talk to you guys about it. Now, obviously, we're still expecting the Snapdragon 845, although there are some rumors. There are some rumors that say we might get the Snapdragon 855, although that's probably unlikely. 6 to 8 gigabytes of RAM. I don't think we're going to get 10 gigabytes of RAM in this year's model. Obviously, we're going to be getting the same camera setup as we did in the OnePlus 6. Some rumors do say that we're going to get a triple setup, but I don't think that's happening with the OnePlus 6. Now, with recent leaks and rumors, the OnePlus 6T is probably going to adapt a new type of notch, those smaller notches that I guess they call the water notch or something like that. And it's definitely going to increase the amount of real estate, the amount of screen space that you're going to be using. We should expect the same 6 to 6.3 inch display, full HD. We're not going to be getting any quad HD or any 4K like that. Two main things that we're going to be getting, and these have been confirmed. We're not getting a headphone jack. It was great while it lasted, and I still use my headphone jack all the time. And I know there are a lot of other people that use a headphone jack all the time, and that's why people were so happy when the OnePlus 6 came out and they still include the headphone jack. Samsung still includes a headphone jack, but the 6T is not going to include that this year, and that's a bummer. Now, this has also been confirmed as well. We're going to be getting an in-display fingerprint scanner. We haven't got that from Samsung, Apple, LG, any big companies like that. We've been getting from Chinese companies like Oppo and Vivo, and all those are parent companies anyway, so it's normal. It's normal to see OnePlus 6T implement an in-display fingerprint scanner. Battery-wise, they say we're going to get a bigger battery from 3,400 to 3,700 milliamp hours. We're going to be getting the latest build of Android 9.0 Pie. And price-wise, if you're going to be adding an in-display fingerprint scanner, I think it's going to be a little more expensive, about $20 to $30 more expensive. So if we're paying $530 for the original OnePlus 6 base model, then we're going to probably be paying $550 to $570 for the base model of the OnePlus 6T. Now, the OnePlus 6 had all these different color variations, and I hope the OnePlus 6T continues that. They had red, they had silk gold, they had two types of black. I hope the OnePlus 6T includes more and more unique colors like that. Now, the question is, when is OnePlus 6T going to be revealed? Mark your dates. October 16th is when we're going to be getting the OnePlus 6T. That's when it's going to be unveiled. Now, if you look at patterns, OnePlus 3 was released in June of 2016. OnePlus 3T was released in November of 2016, exactly 5 months later. The same thing happened with the 5. 5 was released in June of 2017. 5T was released in November of 2017. Now, we got the OnePlus 6 much earlier in May of 2018. So if we fast forward 5 months, we're going to be getting that October, and that's exactly when we're going to be getting it. But the OnePlus 6T is coming. Not just the OnePlus 6T. There are so many other phones. The LG V40, the Google Pixel 3, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. We got all these, the iPhone XR. Even though that's been already unveiled. But we're getting all these amazing phones come October. Now, the OnePlus 6T is going to be one stellar device, one amazing device, and I do hope to get my hands on it. And if you guys want to see more coverage or just me talk about the OnePlus 6 even more, go more into detail, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, this is MTG.